Started off with just a few interested people. We rang up the association and said, is there a team that we could join? And there wasn't, so we put our names down on a list and waited until there were some other people who had put in inquiries about joining a team. When there are enough people, we got everybody together. I like that it's a team sport and that it takes a group of people working together to make it happen. And it's fun to run around and it's fun to throw the ball around and shoot goals and we're friendly, we get along well. Some of us have only met through netball and some of us have known each other for ages. I think it's good for friendships. It really helps develop friendships and makes you feel like you're achieving something together. So it's kind of like a bonding thing. So it's very good.